This is Excel Champ. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use goal seek to back into an answer. In this instance, you already know the desired output value that you want, but you want to know how to get to the inputs to have that desired output. So in this example here, our formula in cell D4 is B4 divided by C4, which gives us our 60% formula. And let's say in this example, we just want to get 75%. We want to know what needs to be divided by 50 to get to 70%. So to do that, we're going to go up to the Data tab. Then there's this What If analysis underneath Forecast. We're going to click on this to make sure it drops down. We're going to go to Goal Seek. And once we get to Goal Seek, we're just going to input what we want it to do. So we're going to set cell D4 right here to 70%, so we're going to put 0.70 by changing cell B4. And what this is going to do, it's going to cycle through all the options here. It's going to plug in different values until it finds the value for B4 to create our output in D4 at 70%. So we're going to click OK. We're going to see it flash around a bit, and it came up with our answer here, which is 35.